Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To add the PayPal Cash Card as a payment option in Amazon, sign into Amazon and hover the mouse over Account and Lists in the menu. Select your account. In the Ordering and Shopping Preferences box, select Payment Options. On the Payment Options page, scroll down to add a new payment method and select Add a Card.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
You log into your PayPal account, select Transfer to your bank. You need to have a bank account or debit card linked to your PayPal account. PayPal will transfer the money into your bank account what is linked to your PayPal account.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
You can now send money with PayPal Credit. It's easy. Simply log in to paypal.com and select the Send Money tab. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number, amount, and transaction type. Click Change to select PayPal Credit as your payment method, then confirm your payment details.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
PayPal Credit is an open-end, revolving credit card account that provides a reusable credit line built into your account, with PayPal giving you the flexibility to pay for your purchases right away or pay over time. PayPal Credit is subject to credit approval and is offered by Synchrony Bank.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Can you use PayPal without a credit card? Absolutely. You can make payments and receive money on PayPal without a credit or debit card. However, you will need to create a PayPal account and link your bank account to it. It withdraws money directly from your bank account to make the payment.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
What is PayPal Credit? If approved, you'll get a credit line in your PayPal account that can be used straight away. This could be to access monthly offers, or just to use as one of your payment options for eBay purchases.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.